This is Molly Harvey from ERA Colonial Real Estate here in San Antonio, Texas. Steve came to our office today and gave us an excellent presentation about the 5 different things that we need to be paying attention to in our business. He gave excellent content and the group was engaged, and I highly recommend you come to your meeting.
Hi there, I'm James Weaver with Gateway Mortgage. Today we had the pleasure of having Steve Topman with Habitude Warrior show up and work with us in our networking group. Gave us some outstanding information. I really look forward to using that on a daily basis and reaching out to my customers, especially being able to promote other businesses in the area to help their business as well.
I just want to say it was probably one of the most exciting and informational experiences. We had a great crowd and he just kept everybody on their seats and just so attentive, and it wasn't your usual boring sit down, I'm listening kind of thing. And I just hope he comes back, and he's having a big seminar and we've signed up some of us for it and we're looking forward to it.
Informative techniques, especially how to close. That was my favorite part of this session, so I'd like to thank you for giving us some of your time.
Hi, my name is Shay Demore. I work with ERA Colonial Real Estate. I just saw Steve do his Habitude Warrior workshop and it was amazing. I would definitely recommend it. Me and a couple others are going to be at his class in Dallas. I can't wait.
This is Chris Dom with Texas Real Estate Firm. I just met with Steve and he gave a seminar here at our office for Habitude Warriors. Did a fabulous job. We've got a bunch of us signed up to go to the seminar there in Dallas. We're really looking forward to it. Thank you, Steve, and you did a great job.
Hi, I'm Tanya, and I work with Chris at Texas Real Estate Firm. I just saw Steve speak, and it was amazing, very inspirational, and I'm really excited to go to the conference in a couple months.
Hello, I'm Joe Corwin, broker of Weicker Realtors, Corwin Associates in New Braunfels. We just saw Steve. Our whole team enjoyed him immensely. Great energy with his Habitude Warrior seminar. So highly encourage you to attend any function that you're going to see Steve at. Great energy, loved it. Everybody had a great time. Thank you, Steve.
Hi, I'm Grace with Willow Bend Mortgage. I just went through a small training with Steve and it was outstanding. It brought me back to what I believe in. So thank you, Steve. I appreciate it.
And this is John Knotts with Crosscutter Enterprises. I'm a business coach and consultant, and I'm out here with Steve, and we're going to be going to the Habitude Warrior Conference in April and looking really forward to it. Had a great presentation from him, and I really appreciated all the information he had to share.
Hey, I'm Lori Heffley with Chase Bank. Just got through with a motivational speaking engagement with Steve. It was awesome, very uplifting, great energy, great knowledge, lots of ways to spend your time and make yourself successful.
It's been a fantastic seminar that he put on for us. One of the favorite things that I had, and as a photographer it's always so hard, is talking about value to your customer.
Finally with Remax. I was just at a presentation with Steve at Habitude Warrior, and it's got really cool stuff, stuff that we are really interested in, and things that will help us, like goal setting, prospecting, time management, and just kind of gives you a breakdown on how to work with it and use it in everyday life for us as realtors.
I'm Steve with Remax North San Antonio. I just sat in on a class with Steve with Habitude Warrior. Amazing class. Loved what he had to give, information he had to give me. And I love some of the details worth looking into. A lot of breakdown information on how to improve on your time management and to be a better real estate agent or downright salesperson.
Hello, I'm Lisa Poole. I am a realtor with ERA Colonial Real Estate. I've just had the delightful opportunity to sit in on Steve's presentation for the Habitude Warrior Conference, and it was wonderful. I learned a lot, and I will put into practice the things that he made me aware of that I may not have been doing.
I just had the most amazing morning. I got a chance to help Steve with Habitude, and he did an amazing job of making sure that we had the best mental preparation with regard to doing business. So I really appreciate what Steve had to offer, and I hope to get to work with him and get a chance to hear him again.
Hi, this is Frankie Chapa, the Director of Marketing at Remax North San Antonio, and we just heard a wonderful presentation from Steve with Habitude Warrior. It was a great presentation for our agents. We talked about prospecting, we talked about time management, and everyone got a little bit of something out of it. So we really recommend him coming to your offices.
I was the CEO of Port of Prescott Incorporated, Tow Truck in a Box. I managed to put Tow Truck in a Box on infomercials, became the #1 infomercial on television, then managed to put my products in over 50,000 to 60,000 stores. Ironically, some of the folks that helped me do that a few years ago are the people that he is aligned with and that are at these particular conference. So I highly recommend it for anybody to go and learn for themselves what I learned at one time there.
Hi, my name is Sarah Laredo from Sonder Insurance, and I just met Steve here at the Boulevardy Networking Group and had a lot of takeaways, and we'll be going to the Habitude conference in Dallas in April. Habitude Warriors, yes, conference in Dallas. So I'm really excited to kind of further that knowledge.
Hi, I'm Jerry with ERA Colonial here in San Antonio. I just was in the Habitude Warrior with Steve here in San Antonio. I really enjoyed the conference. Today is my first day. If it was in San Antonio, I'd love to attend. Hopefully you'll bring it down here. Thanks very much.
Hi everybody, I am Andrew Mathis with E3 Wealth. I'm here with Steve Kalman. We were here at the Boulevardy and Spring Branch networking morning, and this guy was spitting out such good information, I could not write fast enough. Look him up.
We're going to teach you speed writing, and we're also give you a bigger piece of paper. You guys are awesome. It was such a pleasure being here.